Even though I am a pasty white American, I'm going to show you how to use Capcut in India. And the only reason I know this is because all the editors that I work with are from overseas. In fact, the editing on this video right now is being done by one of my editors in India, and I've helped him along with a bunch of other editors that I work with learn how to use Capcut even though it's banned in India. So let's get right into how to do this. So around 2022, India banned 50 apps from China. This includes TikTok, PUBG, and one of these apps included Capcut, which is a real shame because Capcut is a really good video editor, especially if you're new to editing, and it's free. So step one is to get a VPN. A VPN will basically route your connection through another country so that you can still use apps that are banned in your country. I personally use NordVPN, which I'll leave the first link to in the description, and it's only $3.09 per month. And not only will you be able to get Capcut with this, but anything that's banned in your country, you'll be able to use with this, along with getting a much more secure connection to your internet, and sometimes even discounts on subscriptions for just buying something in a country whose currency has a lower value than yours. So once you download the VPN, then you can just connect to somewhere else such as the United States where Capcut is allowed. From here, you can go to Capcut's website and just download Capcut. To make it easy for you, I'll also leave the link to that in the description. Then you just download it, and as you'll be able to see here, I can use Capcut completely normally, just click create project, and just like that, I have my Capcut editor. I can import an audio track or even a short video if I wanted to, and of course edit using Capcut as normal. So yeah. And by the way, this also works on mobile. All you need to do is download the NordVPN app so you can have your VPN on. And then instead of downloading Capcut as normal, you're going to need to download Capcut through the APK mirror, which I'll leave the link to in the description as well. My goal is to help the world make more money online by giving this knowledge to you guys completely for free. And I know a lot of you guys will be able to make more money if you're able to use Capcut because it's a really intuitive editing software. So if you appreciate my mission, consider leaving a like on this video. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll catch you all in the next one, and peace.